Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable books suggestions on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then from the home screen, tap on settings. Next, in the settings page, scroll down and then tap on books. Next, in here, tap on Siri and search. Then we go down to the suggestions section. In here, there are 4 different kinds of suggestions. So, show in app, show on home screen, suggest app, and suggestion notifications. And as I said here, allow suggestions and content from books and shortcuts for the app to appear in the app, in search, in widgets, and as notifications. These suggestions and shortcuts are based on how you use the app. So in here you can tap on the toggle button and you can enable or disable the suggestions that you want to allow or disallow. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.